to this tutorial. We're going to look at how to build a website with or how to add your domain name to your hosting panel. So what you need is to go to your hosting provider and select the domain name that you want to add to your hosting panel. Then you will need to get the name servers of your hosting account provider. Once the name servers have been provided from your hosting servers, you update your domain name provider or your domain name that you want to host on that particular platform with the hosting name servers that you're getting from your hosting provider. So this is the domain name I want to change or host on my platform. So I was hosting it here. I will change to a new hosting provider. I have the domain names. When you first purchase, it comes with the default name server, so you have to select the custom name servers. And so this is no NS ultrasound. Okay, so these are the hosting providers name servers that I'm going to update. Then I'm going to change the name servers and wait for a notification that tells me successfully changed. Once I receive that notification, I can now move on to my hosting provider's control panel and then add the domain name onto my hosting server. So yes, I have the message here, and I'm going to my hosting provider to add the name too. Alright, so all this information have to be filled in correctly to be able to do, and you can create an FTP account if you want to upload the content from your FTP to your website. After that, I just click on the add domain and wait for the confirmation message that will give us that will tell us that the account or the domain name has been added to the hosting Cpanel, and we can then proceed from there. So yes, that's it guys. This is how you add a domain name onto your hosting panel, and that will be all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave them onto the the comment section, and you can subscribe to this channel